That would be green beans on her forehead.
Ellie, come here. Ellie, do you have green beans on your forehead? Where are you going? Come here. Okay, we're gonna try it this way.
Very inventive there, Trista.
Ellie, look at me. She's turning into the green bean monster. Ellie, no.
No toes. No toes.
Ellie, no. Eat it. No,
By
not
the
my
beans, by the foot.
foot. And I'm going to wipe my mouth now. It didn't make it any cleaner. Okay, there. Ellie, stop looking at the fresh beets.
But she loves the fresh beets.
So,
See? Take her right back to the
Ellie.
fresh beets. Bite. Where's the fresh beets, Allie?